There's Julia heading to a horse, and man, woo, it's cold. Look at this, flurries. There she comes. I have to say, this is the coldest day we've seen in a while. And there goes Julia. Bye-bye. Well, bought some sand this past summer to do the deck, and looky here, I need it. This is solid ice. Look at there, huh? Like here, you look at the sink here, it's trash, but here you go. Here's my little cup to spread the sand. See there? Things play out sometimes, don't they? All right, here's the challenge of the day. Look at this here, guys and gals, or I should say family. Wow, for me, my goal is to get this orange Mustang in that trailer, and I've got a motorcycle in this trailer that needs to be put in this trailer, and I've got a motorcycle and a bunch of other stuff that needs to be taken out of this trailer. Talk about a project. All right, well, it's never simple, so I got to get the Ram truck out to hook up to the motorcycle trailer to pull that out to back it down in here. Now I got to clean off the truck, right? Living up north now. Next week at this time it's like 50, 60, so never even knew it existed, but for today, not. Looky here, making a little headway here. I'm gonna back the truck and trailer down into the barn here. All right, everything's staying secure. Thank goodness. There you go. How about that, huh? Yikes. Tight, right? I'm always scared to see what the other side looks like. Hey, puppies! All right, look at there. The Indian motorcycle is now back there. Now, I'm gonna move this truck and trailer out so I can get this truck and trailer hooked up. All right, getting to be the fun part, but by no means are we even close to being done. Gotta get this bad boy hooked up, which, yikes. Oh, dilemmas. So I should have used a different hitch on this truck over here, because now I can unhitch this thing. So, oh, not exciting. I need that hitch right there. All right, got the trailer back in place. Lever hooked up because I got to get my other things out of here, which it's always another project. All right, now the goal is to get all this out of this trailer, my Honda Gull Wing out, and get my Indian up next to my Harley. And that's a project. All right, see here, those two things need to go in there, and then my Talon will have to go in the garage. All right, making headway. How about that, huh? Getting there, and I can kind of see that you really need a day to pack. You know, kind of like RVing. You're just not gonna get up one morning and jump in your RV and go to the campsite or whatever. You better just plan to have one designated day to get it all set up. There she is. And that's for letting this thing down. Thank goodness for technology. So you line her up right there. Here's she's old days. I had to guesstimate it. All right, now what I gotta do, I gotta take these jacks. See this jack right here? Gotta raise that up. And there's the next thing I have to do. Jack up the truck to get that support loosened up. It's because this grade on this concrete up to here is probably, I'd say, close to a foot difference. Getting there. How about that, huh? So it's pretty cool with Ford. They have the trailer assist, and what they do is they give you a sticker here that you put on your tongue of your trailer, which I already have one on my trailer here. And what you do is you look in the back card here, and it asks for measurements, which you're going to input that into your computer here when I start the truck back up, and then it helps trailer sway and your blind spot monitoring for your mirror. Okay, the first thing you got to do is you got to have your truck perfectly straight with your trailer. It's the first thing you got to do to make this kind of work. And as you can see back here, I've already got one of these stickers, and should I update it? Be going with that right there, shouldn't I, huh? Now, you know, for the record, if I didn't have to get a CDL license, I'd have definitely a 2-car trailer. But the CDL laws, it's so stupid. Being that if I go out and buy an RV and I put a big ass trailer behind it, no CDL. If you got a dually like I have, and a trailer, 26,000 GVW is your limit. So in this dually here, I'm gonna spec out. And here's the next project. I want to be able to roll up my cover to get my bicycles underneath my truck here. So, oh boy, project after project. All right, I got my measurements. So now, see here, add trailer. Okay. Now, let's see here. So you gotta name it. This is your alphabet. Brr! When that sun goes away and the wind kicks, boy, it's cold. All right, making progress here today. Getting a little squirrely here. Man, I didn't have that sand. Crazy. I never had sand laying around when I built my deck last year. I bought a thing of sand, and big golly, that saved me today. No way. All right, making headway. Here you go. All right, now, how the hell I get this thing lined up in here? It's not going to be a very easy task, but that's what I'm doing. We need another second. There you go. There's my challenge. I think you need to come back out. All right, it's tight, tight, tight. A little bit more. Looky there. I think we got her. Yikes. Look at that. Isn't that pretty cool? Jesus. You would think that for sure I'd be taking my fender off, right? I would. Yikes. All right, my nice new dually. Black truck, match the trailer. This is interesting. This trailer now, I will have seen 3, maybe 4 different trucks tow it. All right, now the challenge is that goes in there, and that Honda Goldwing up here comes out. So, get my lights on. All right, now it's time to strap her down. This next project here. All right, got the first one done. You know, with all the technology today, you think somebody can figure something better out, how to strap these bikes down. And I know everybody's got their own thing, but I'm telling you, these manufacturers. All right, got the Indian in. You know something nice about the Indian? You don't have to frickin' set the alarm system off. These Harleys, if you don't realize it, you got to do a special feature here to disable the alarm. Otherwise, you're rolling down the road, the bike's jarring around, and the alarm's going off the whole time you're driving down the road, unbeknownst to you, and the time you get to wherever you're going. All right, good Lord, projects, man. Like I said earlier, you just spend a day just packing, spend a day resting, and then wowsker, wowsker. Look at this, man. You know, I'm surprised. I figured it should be a little smaller. These Mustangs are a lot of cars. Good Lord. Wowsker. Now, if you guys, any of you out there watching this video, if you think loading trailers, cars, and motorcycles is simple, it ain't. Now, sure, I guess somebody does this every day of their life. Yeah, I get it, but you don't do this every day of your life. All the tricks of the trade. So you have You have to mount that in front of the tire like he did last one. But make sure that it's here.
You're not telling me what to do.
Yeah, you pull it out. Let me see your thing. Okay, so here. What I make sure of, let me show you something. This here, the rubber part here, see that little tread?
Oh, yeah.
Has to go like that. That has to be hitting the tire.
Okay, you didn't make sense.
So here. There you go. So it has to go like that. I know. It's not easy. Need help?
I have to re-warm my fingers up.
All right. Got it. You got it. There you go. All right. Kids playing ice skating. Where's the puppies? The troublemakers. Making headway here. So all right. Now time to start loading the Mustang with our golf gear. Tennis rackets. Right. Tire pressure time. This trail has been driven now for like a year. I think 2 years. I don't know what the. All right. Now you unscrew that little cap on the bottom. Don't lose it. Set on the ground right in front of you. There you go. Now take a little thing, push down, push the little green button off. There it's on. It's on. Go push down. Okay, look at it now. Push the green button.
59.
Okay. Now you attach your little thing. Push that little clip, push that little handle down. There you go. Okay, go ahead. 80, good job. 80, okay, same thing there. So what you're gonna do in this one, you don't even have to put the gauge on it, you're just gonna go right on it because we know it's probably 20 pounds down. And just go to 90. Okay, and take that little handle, flip out, see that little thing, push that little, there you go, push it down as you push it over. Let go, there you go, there you go.
Wait, I didn't, 80.
Perfect. There you go. Put your little cap back on. Time to put the bikes in. Oh boy. Okay, the bikes are loaded. I got room for gear back here now. Cool. Somebody a little cold right there. You are. Oh, hush up. Oh, you're gonna put the cow now. We're in the home stretch.